Darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, I know you send me, darling, you send me, darling.
Hey, what's up? Hello guys, and welcome back to another video with me, Sham. So today I'm going to be reviewing for you guys one of my favorite makeup brands, Mented Cosmetics. They are black owned, okay? They started off with like nude lipsticks, and when they started that, my mom was like, we gotta get on this, you know? And since then, they have expanded their line to, you know, all types of stuff, all types of products that they got. So I'm going to be showing y'all a full face of Mented makeup and review each of the products that I have in their line. So let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm going in with the Mented foundation stick, and mine is in the color T30. So I'm just gonna do like, I do like tiger stripes on my cheeks, like this. And I'm gonna blend that in. I'm using just an Eco Tools brush. It's like a stippling brush, stippling. I don't know how to say it, but you know, little brush looks like this. I feel like that buffs my foundation better than you know, Beauty Blender. So we're gonna use this brush. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like sometimes the beauty blenders, like, it's more product that ends up on the blender than actually like on your face. And y'all, I'm gotta save my coin. I gotta make that foundation stretch. Like, remember to blend down to the neck for that even coverage, and boom, this is how she's looking. Okay, so the review for this foundation, why am I still brushing? I can be blending for years. I could go on and on and on and on. So my review on the foundation, I would definitely say that it's like medium to full coverage, which is fine. Like, it's okay, but I like full coverage, full coverage. You know, I have like a little blemish on my cheek and I want that, you know, covered up. Like, hide it for me. Like, why am I wearing makeup if not to hide all of the things that I want to hide? And also, I have worn it throughout the day before, and I feel like it does get greasy, so that kind of takes off a little point for me. So I would definitely give this 8.5 out of 10 because it's like a fine foundation. I think like just the oiliness might just be my skin type, and the coverage part for me, like, is fine. Okay, so the next product I'm gonna use is the Mented loose setting powder, and mine is in the color medium to deep. I think they only have about like 5 colors on their website. They might have more now, but I don't know. I'm just gonna go in and set this. I do like this setting powder a lot. I feel like it works really good, and like I said before, the foundation does end up getting kind of oily. I feel like this helps it with a little bit, not as much as I would like, but it do the job, you know, it does it. I'm gonna whip out my mirror because I'm acting like I can see. Hilarious. So the next thing that I'm gonna use is the bronzer and highlighter palette from Mented. Okay, this palette, she gives me everything that I ever needed. Everything I didn't even know that I needed from a palette, okay? Like, look at those colors. Look at that shine. Oh my gosh, she's so beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the bronzer first. And I'm gonna add my bronzer a little bit like high on my cheekbones. We're gonna go like kind of higher than people would usually do it. I saw this hack on YouTube that was like, bring your bronzer up higher, lift your cheeks, or something like that. We're gonna do it today. We'll see if you can see a difference. Probably not, but why not? I feel like you can see it. I feel like it's working. I'll show you this side. This is this side. I dig it. I dig it. And then I'll go ahead and do the other side. Swing that like up here. And then to my hairline, of course. When I put my bronzer in, I just do, when I put the bronzer in, I just do like circles so it doesn't get all concentrated in one area. Like that. Bada boom, bada bing, fabulous. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in and contour my nose with the same bronzer. Okay, and then I'm done contouring my nose and we're gonna move on to the highlight. Now what I will say about this highlight is that it's super pretty, it's super natural, like a bronzy highlight, but normally when I use my highlight, I will admit I like my highlight to be like bam, you know, like in your face, bam. But this is more like a soft glow. I'm gonna add like as much as I feel necessary, so I'm probably gonna add more than you might, but yeah, I'll just show you guys. Like the first part I put on my brush, I kind of put a lot on my brush if you can see all that. I'm just gonna go in on the cheekbone area like that. See, it's like a natural glow, but I want it to be like it blinds you when I walk by. But because it's natural, like it's fine. I think it's really pretty. I just wish that it was a little bit more pigmented on the highlight, not like overdoing it or anything, but just a little something more. So I would give this palette honestly like a 9 out of 10 because I love it so much, and I think the colors are beautiful. Okay, drop that gorgeous. But yeah, I just wanted the highlight to be like just a smidge stronger, you know what I'm saying? But as a natural look, like she works for me. I'm gonna go like into my eyebrow area too, just because I like my brow bone to be like highlighted. I be doing too much with the highlight. See, notice pattern. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit on my nose for the to finish off my contouring. Bada boom, bada bing. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be using is the Mented Highbrow Precision Brow Tool. You know, their little brow pencil. So it has this little part on the end of it and then the spoolie. So I'm gonna go in with that. So I'm just gonna go in and spoolie my eyebrows first. Like this, just brush them up in the natural direction that they go. Then I'm gonna take the pencil part and start with the bottom line of my eyebrows and drag that to where I want it to be. So like that, you can see I've got kind of like, so like that, you can see I've kind of got like this extra deep line right there. And then I'm just gonna go and spoolie that in, dragging down when my eyebrows go down. So like going down and then flicking up everywhere else. And then I'm gonna take the pencil again and I'm just gonna create little lines like that to fill in the rest of my eyebrow, going the similar direction as the rest of the eyebrow hairs. Then I'm just gonna spoolie those up too. And then brush my eyebrow to the shape that I want. And boom, that's your brow. Before, after. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the other eyebrow. And boom, like that. I like my eyebrows to look really natural, so I don't want them to look like I literally took a black marker and shaped my eyebrows. Like, no, I want them to look just like natural. I just woke up and my eyebrows just turned out like this, you know, simple. So I don't own any of the Mented eyeshadows. They do have them though, but instead I'm just gonna go ahead and use the bronzer and highlight palette again for my eyes. And I'm gonna use that as like my transition, also my lid color. Just use it for everything. And I actually really like the look when you just use like bronzer on your eyelid and keep it moving. Like, it's a cute look. It kind of highlights like the natural shape of your eye, and yeah. And then I'm gonna put the highlighter right in the center and towards the little corner of my eye. Okay, so this is the finished eye look. I think it's cute. I like it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is the Mented lip liner and lip gloss. This is like a pretty brown nude-ish lip gloss, and then the matching lip liner. So what I will say about this, I kind of forgot that I was reviewing these products. I guess because I just like them. For the lip liner, I would say that I do wish it was a little bit more like creamy and like it just went on a little darker than I mean, I wish that it would go on a little darker. So I'm just gonna line my lips. I'll show you guys. Maybe it's the color that I have. I don't actually have more colors of this, so I don't know. But I just wish that it went on a little bit more full, because I feel like I have to do a lot of work just to get it to where I want it to be. Bam. Okay, so that's what I did with my lip liner. I kind of brought it in pretty far, just because that's the look I like, you know? If you don't like that, don't look. I'm playing. If you don't like it, just don't do it. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the lip gloss. Soup's pretty, by the way. Mented, you did that. Your lip colors, legendary. And boom, that's what the lips are looking like. I really like how this lip liner and the lip gloss go together. I feel like it really complements each other. See what I'm saying? Compliments. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm liking it a lot. Honestly, I feel like with Mented, everything is very natural. Like, bring out your natural tones of your lips, eyes, everything. And honestly, the whole line I would give a 10 out of 10 because I love it. And the quality of the products is so good. As if this video would be sponsored. You know I'm telling you the truth, girl. But yeah, so that is my final review slash get ready with me of Mented Cosmetics. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe because, you know, it's free. What other reason would you need? I'm trying to think. Oh, right, there's none. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see y'all next time. Deuces.